The 22nd participant in the Silva challenge is Neil Cummings. Now, you may notice this box is a little different, and I have some some bubble foam, some bubble wrap in here as padding. I found out recently about a much cheaper way for me to send packages internationally. And I'm going to be trying it out with Neil's package here, the 22nd participant, and the upcoming challenge, the 23rd, that will also drop here shortly. I'm not sure how well this shipping approach is going to work. It's new to me, but they say packages will arrive in 1 to 4 weeks. It's interesting. Apparently the shipments to Canada, like this one to Neil, ship directly to him. I will ship this directly. The next shipment, all other countries outside the US, they apparently, I send it to a location in the US, they bundle them up with other packages going to those countries and then ship them across where they're unbundled. That's how you get the savings. But it's an experiment. I've talked to both Neil and Andrew, who is the next challenge participant, and they were both willing to go along with this to see how it works out. So we'll see. That being said, let's get this one started. For some reason right now, I've got this urge to do like construction vehicles. I want to give Neil some construction vehicles. This is a Fresno Feed Company truck. Oshkosh snowplow. Really? Fresno Feed Company? Okay. If that's what they say it is. Let's see, here's this thing. The road roller. This just seems a natural for like a Gasland style build. Let's see what else we got here. I don't know that I want to throw anything else. Highway maintenance truck by Matchbox. That's kind of cool. Let's wedge that in there. I don't want to go too overboard with any particular type. For some reason, I really want to send Neil a bus or two. There's a Hot Wheels. Yeah, just a bus. McDonald's. I mean, it's, you know, their generic bus that they've done. I don't know that I have any more of this package. Here's a cool old bus that I got to figure out what I'm going to do with it. That's a Lido casting, apparently. But yeah, it looks like it needs some serious work. It's missing some serious pieces. But, Corgi. Yeah, I've got some things in here I'm going to work on at some point. Hey, here we go. I'm going to give you a kid-painted old Matchbox coach. I'm sure everybody recognizes this one without the kid paint. It's the Greyhound. So yeah, that'll be something interesting. Then I do have to throw in a surf bus. Somehow. Yeah. What do we have in here? Oh, I did custom of a prototype of one of these recently. I can't even think of the name of it off the top of my head. It's a McDonald's casting. Oh. That's a Hot Wheels. It's all plastic. I mean, it really seems like, you know, this one. You know, that's what the Second Win, which is the Speed Racer knockoff in effect. So, what was it? The Mach 1? This seems like it's a more true version of it. Tell you what. Let's throw both of them in there. You can figure it out, what you're going to do with it. Okay. That I definitely don't mind seeing that go. Not that any of these I really mind. Oh, that looks like a Lamborghini knockoff. Zodic by Hot Wheels. Could be different. Riveted. No. Yeah, riveted. Seems like I threw one of these in a box just like in the last box I did. Rockster. Obviously a Hummer knockoff. Yeah, it looks like I should be able to fit something else in here, huh? Ah, there we go. Something with a propeller. Lord knows I have to put something with a propeller in every box, right? Oh, that's right. Because of how this box closes, I can't be too tight on the sides. These fold in. And that was one of the things to do this shipping method I have to use. I can't use the priority mail box that I usually use. So what I did is I ordered these boxes that fortunately arrived today from Amazon. And sure, super tuned. They arrived today, and so I'm able to do these shipments now and see how this international shipping works. I'm sorry if I'm rambling and babbling, but it's kind of late as I'm recording this. Let's throw some 3D parts in there. What do we got? We got some rockets. And rockets. Rockets. More rockets. Guns. Front ram kind of things. And you know, I've given away a lot of these boom ones. I'm not going to print any more of these when I start printing, because honestly, people have done cool things with them. I just, for whatever reason, I don't want to use them. I'm not going to give you 2 booms, Neil. I won't, but look, there's another one. I'm not that cruel. No, really. No matter what people think, I'm not that cruel. Not usually. Skulls. You need skulls. I need to print more skulls. I need to get printing. Yes, I know. I really do. But what do we got here? Let's see. Let's do. Gee. I don't know if there's anything I like in here. Here's more guns. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm just like kind of pooped and out of it, and I really want to assemble this one, and I'm gonna try and do the other one for Andrew tomorrow, and then get them out in the mail. By the time you see this video, they'll be in the mail, and hopefully, I'm thinking the one to Neil will take that approximate week that they give. And I'm thinking for Andrew, we probably truly are looking more at 4 weeks. And so obviously his build and Neil's build, depending upon the timing, won't be as soon as, like, there's some barrels, as some domestic builds. So I think that's it, Neil. Do you like that assortment? I wish I had something. Yeah, I'm throwing a fuzz in there. I'm throwing that in there. Verity 8. It's kind of a cool casting. It's a Corvair. It's a Corvair knockoff with the engine inside on here. That's kind of a cool cast. What else is going here that will fit? What's that? Callaway C7? What's that, a Corvette? Corvette based? I don't know. I think that's a little bit better. Yeah. Sorry, I'm kind of out of it. Everybody, I hope you enjoy this video. Neil, I hope you have fun with this. I can't wait to see what you build. I hope you don't mind some of the more bizarre things like the two buses and stuff like that. But I know you're going to do a great job. Anyhow, thanks everybody for watching. Stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.